What's up, everybody? So I'm gonna show you my firearm system. There's a 7002T right there with a MS2 pole station, and there's another firearm right there, 7002T. And then over here we got a Johnson Controls MS2. SMP's classroom? Art class?
You take pictures?
No. And right there is a Wheelock MT. Sorry about that. Right here is, in front of me is a Wheelock 7002T. Right there's a Johnson Controls MS2. Now, get a look at this thing. Right here. Johnson Controls. It's a pull only, single action. And there's a 7002T. Our system, and there's our new fancy clocks. So good video of that. Firearm system is 7002Ts mostly, and there's an exit sign right there, and 2 MTs and 2 FOSs. There's another Wheelock 7002T like right, I think here. No? Where? I don't know what's what. Oh yeah, it's right there. There. And then there's a Wheelock MS2 right there. I mean, Johnson Controls. Sorry, I gotta go. Bye.